really renovate them. Most of them, I think, are going to be torn down. Look at that one, just lost the whole thing, the whole units. Trees are all these Norfolks are just sticks now. They don't have any branches. That's a lot of strip. This whole stretch of land out here, the trees just look like this. And if you can see the hills over there, they're brown now. They used to be green, and they're brown because the leaves have just been stripped, and all you're seeing are the trunks. That most of the units, I mean, I'd say 10% of the units in Princeville look like that. I mean, they're just, there's nothing left. You can see the ones out there on that corner. This point of land out here did not take the storm very well at all. We have a good friend that lives in these pole houses. You can see how they just, all the whole walls disappeared. And some people are still living in them because, I mean, until they're condemned and people are kicked out, they're going to stay where they can get, you know, the rain off their head. So a lot of people are still living out here. Some people have thrown tents on the beach. These pole houses, is it going?
Yeah.
These pole houses, I think, I heard this is the condo unit that got hit the worst. There's walls missing from almost every unit.
From what we hear though, in Poipu on the other side of the island, there are no condos. You can hardly
Yeah,
see
they're really wiped out. One of the things that makes it look so horrible, I think, is just the trees are all just, I mean, they're broken into sticks, and the palms look ratty, but they still look like palms. Most of the other trees, you can't even tell what they are anymore because half of the trees are missing. The whole top half is gone. And that's one of the things that makes it look so divided out here, I think. Did roofs get blown off, but you know, like you'll see houses with beams just poked in them like knitting needles, and I mean, you know, there were a lot of You got that?
Yeah.
This is the way home. I just was trying to get stuff around here that got hit pretty good. Down this way. What is Ron and
I'm not sure. This is Ron's truck. These people live right across the street from us. You can see where the back of their house doesn't have a roof. They kind of landed on it.
Yeah, well, they lost the whole back side of their house. It's gone. And here we are. We'll get more